All right, morning everyone. Wow, we got some rain. We just had a heck of a storm roll through it. It stormed a little bit last night. I heard it raining, but this morning at probably about, I don't know, 5:30, it started coming down, and I know it was coming down hard when you see this. Wow. So this gravel is from my driveway. Yep. It's been a goddamn waterfall right there. I'm just making it out here, seeing how bad it was. Wow. And you know what's funny is I just fixed this yesterday quite a bit. Well, this was all not too bad from the last rain. Oh yeah. So this was all wood chips all the way to here. I fixed it. Had this, it was all ate out. It's gotten deeper now. Fixed all this with wood chips. Still trying to rain a little bit. The gnats all of a sudden are out real bad. Started yesterday, like another hatching, but wow. That's the 2-track going down to the mill. I don't think we'd be getting any trucks through here right this second. All right, well, I did see that there's a lot of trees down all over Muskegon. Power out all over. They had something on the news talking about it already, and so I'm gonna get the trailer unloaded. My cousin Timmy works for the county. He's already tried calling me. I just seen I had a missed call from him while I was walking up the hill there. But yeah, so might be running around and grabbing trees today. I know he's calling. It's something laying. He'll push off on the side of the road, so I probably won't have to be in too big of a rush to go grab it. But they won't load, being the county. So, you know, I don't know, something probably to do with insurance reasons, but I mean, you ain't gonna. I mean, if you hurt the thing, like break boards, I'm not gonna worry about shit like that. But I make wood, you know what I mean? I make lumber, so yeah, that's a good load. So now, the way that was stacked up like that, I figured I'd unload that one over here. And then now I'll back the trailer up in there and just pull up next to the log deck, roll one off, take the tractor, push it up on, and so on. This big long one, I don't really have no, I didn't even measure it actually, but I'm thinking probably 12 foot. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, so I have an order kicking right now. I think I mentioned before that calls for 8 and 10 foot shit. This log's 10 foot. You know, I think I did measure that big one. No, I didn't. But anyways, I have some stuff calls for 10 foot, so I'll throw this one over there. And then we got that 8 footer over there, and then I really don't want to cut that 12 footer down to 10 foot. So I'll still bring this 8 footer over and get some of his 1-bys out of it. I was going to do that with that one, but that looks like a good one to make 2x4s, and he wants two 4x8x8. So yeah, that one there will be another decent one for beams. I mean, it's got a few small limbs on it, but 6-footer, then a little 5-footer. Oh. So the tractor's wet, must have a little water distributor. It rained sideways this morning. I even had water up on the mill motor. Here, he needs gloves. The deer flies are vicious around the tree line and around the woods right there. Wow. You can see them swarming around a little bit, like, because it's shady or shaded right here now. Yeah. That lean should help me roll this big one off. That was my idea with this. The deer flies have sensed I'm sweating. They're starting to circle me, and I don't got my little wussy screen net. Oh, I do. The trick is, though, you don't want to get one of them little suckers stuck in your hat, because then he just feasts. I wanted it to have that momentum, so I got going. Oh, you prick. Yeah. Wow. That was almost bad, guys. Let's put that dog right through a vein. I can cut it that way. Flip that. We had a big windstorm come through. Blew shit out all over. Hey everyone, trees are down everywhere. I'm out picking up logs. Sorry I didn't get that sawmill video out to you. I'm gonna be doing this till probably dark.